High up above the plains of Palni is the hills of Kodaikanal, a place of nature's abundance and tranquility. In that midst is high altitude, the place that gives opportunity for inclusiveness to understand nature.
We were just thinking about an unlearning architecture design process, so it's not like learning. We thought like we need to give an opportunity for the candidates to unlearn what they have already learned from the college. What this unlearning means, how it's like being conscious about the environment where we're living.
So this workshop is about art, architecture and forest therapy. The moment I read about it, I was like, oh my god, all three things are just the box full of what exactly I'm looking for. And I not even think about it for a minute, and I came here. And I feel like it was a very wonderful decision, because the thing which happened here were exactly all the things I really needed and looking for at the current moment of time, where like when you work at site and work in city, it's so different. You need to originate, you need to come and unlearn all the things which are happening over there and what you study in architectural college. So I think this was the best decision to come here.
Finding this opening, a bunch of young talented architects became a part of this workshop organized by High Altitude. They are ARCHVENTURERS. The purpose of this workshop was to introduce these youngsters to the terrain and nature surrounding the hills of Kodai.
We give an opportunity to the candidates to explore the site, live in the site and work from the site. So the whole intention was to give an holistic approach to the design process. When I say holistic approach, we gave the ultimate liberation to the candidates to do whatever they can do. They can work from this forest anywhere.
We really wanted to enjoy every moment where we can work, where we can experience the nature. It's not all about just sitting in front of a screen. It's about going out, seeking everything you can, and possibly designing in every way you can. I think this gave me an opportunity, and after this maybe my vision of this world might change.
As a part of their learning, a trek through the hills and a visit through the forest was arranged for them to understand the topography and the geography of the land. They spent the whole day at these sites. As a part of their orientation and introduction, experienced architects shared their vision and experience.
They are so thoughtful about the environment, and it just makes me so happy that there are such people, lovely people around here who care about the environment so much, and through their profession they want to enhance and preserve it and conserve it and use it in the best manner.
Kodaikanal in itself has a lot of biophilic architecture in it, but as soon as you enter into our village, we want all your senses to be heightened.
These are the essences of this polymer composite actually. So, what
There was a lot of yoga. We arranged so much organic food, so they were eating good food, they're having good breathe. So it was so much good time gathering.
This understanding was to help them create something from the learning. Their presentations were outstanding. They shared their insights and experience.
What gives you is that you start looking at your project, start looking at your site and the design. It brings a change in the way you look at your design principles and the way you think about building a structure.
It was like a dream becoming true to make a tree house, and now I'm very glad that architects and candidates are coming to join our workshop to see my tree house and how it worked and how all the process we have done for making the tree house. It was very nice to have the conversation with the candidates and being with them for 7 days. Now actually we also got inspiration for doing another workshop.
Now it's the 7th day of the week which is going to end now, but I'm in the thoughts of why I want to leave now.
Having developed a knowledge of being one with nature, guided them to creating a future that is in sync with the natural habitat without disturbing the tranquility of the landscape. Their creations were up to the mark. They gained.